Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel once again, guys. Today we are going to review Photo Editor Pro 2020. Here picture editing software here big takin thalai te tan nula le tlangwal te tan thaem emani nula le tlangwal tan solo po ke ni ang tar tan ti mayang mo ke ni ang upato tan po thaem emani edit all some si option chi sang sang tambok si a full version manglo mala a free version remote pon thil tam tak ati theni mo he picture editing software mang hian ithala professional takin it what I don't need ti kan soitel du bokani. And this photo editor happens to be the best one out there as far as I'm concerned. The rating is so high, about 4.8 rating. He thalak edit na hi khaman to zong zong achon ala thaber ome photo editor using mobile phone. Okay, you can have a lot of features, lot of effects, lot of filters, many things. First of all, we are going to go to Play Store. We are going to type in Photo Editor Pro. Alright. Then as you can see here, the rating 4.8. Software is actually in cooperation with InShot video editor. Let's jump right to the software. It's open. I have already installed it, so I just need to open it. As you can see the interface here, once you open the screen, the welcoming screen here, photo, collage, camera, and try neon effects. For me, I'm using the Pro version. Let's click first on photo. We're going to click a random picture which I had clicked 2 weeks ago. Let's see filter here. See a bunch of filters out there, so good. You have Pro if you're a Pro user, full version. See, and then I like this one. I'll keep it that way. And you can go to glitch. If you want to go to glitch, you can even try these glitches. You know, so many options are there. Pro again, and let's keep it that way. Adjust. You go to adjust there. You can adjust the brightness. You can click on the contrast. You can see warmth and many varieties. You want grain, you can have grain one. So like that. I'm going to leave it at that. Here also you can click. What was that? HSL. Click on that. Only this is available for those who use full version. You can adjust the hue and saturation, luminance. Okay, a little luminance, we'll put it there and click OK. Let's go back and adjust. We just did effects. Okay, for youngsters you can use this one, effect. You can pinch to zoom and zoom out like this. And, different kind of, you know, spirals available out here. Okay, I'm not going to use overlay. You can put some overlay there, as you can see here. That is gradient, analog here, and watercolor, paper and stuff. I'm not going to use any of this, so I'll leave it at that. Then let's move on to fit. Okay, what is it? Okay, you can have a border here. If you want white color, you can put it black and different color. Okay, you can choose, depend on what you like, and you can blur it as well. Okay, and then I'll just put it, no, I'll put it this and the border I'm going to use it like this, okay, white and gray mixed. Then I'll click OK there, and then text you can have, let's say here my channel's name. Okay, let's do like lots of fonts available here. You know, just to show you. Okay. And sticker you can have, and blur, you can blur it out, size of the blur, okay, circle it, linear. If you want to have earths present there on your picture, you can use this drawing. Cutout is useful when you want to cut the background, okay, you can simply do this. Of course you have to be accurate in order to cut, because you don't want to cut part of the object. So I'm not going to do it now. And let's move on to a mirror. Okay, you can even have a mirror image like this. Make yourself a double roll. Okay. And you can have 3D like that. Okay, so I'm just showing you, I'm not going to do that. And also you can have body shape. Okay, you can change your body shape, you can make your butt bigger, you can make your waist small. Okay, in order to do that, actually you have to go back and see different picture. I'll just use this, my model, and her name is Machwani. So now let's see, if you want to use a body tool, then you can click here, and variety body, you can tattoo yourself, you can make your muscle bigger, you can change the face, your face, you can give yourself a spectacle. Okay, first let's see body. Okay, part of your waist, okay, smaller, and your butt bigger, then you can use this option, waist. Okay, let's see how to adjust. You're going to pull this inside and bring this one inside, and let's make close together this. Okay, now what you're going to do is adjust. Click on adjust, and can you see that? Your waist is so small and tiny now, but your butt is bigger. So like that, it's very useful. And you can even make your breasts bigger. Yeah, you can even make your boobs bigger, right? If you're a girl, then it is very useful, but for a boy it is going to be so fake, so I don't recommend that. Okay, don't do it. So this app actually is specially designed for young ladies, okay, youngster. Of course it's good for boys also. Why I'm telling you, because you can see here in the face option, okay, you can have mustache and beard and stuff like that. Muscle option, in the muscle button you can put yourself a six-pack, and you can pause it and say, okay, I have a six-pack. All of a sudden, in overnight, they'll be like, how are you doing, and all that, right? Alright, that's all for today. Hey, ka video hi try tia he picture editing software hi try elotive ten it one ka video hi milo share sakla, milo like sakla, milo subscribe sakve bokdon nya. Until then, bye bye.